EuroClinix Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to EuroClinix are in the description if you want to check it out. Now, let's get straight to the review. EuroClinix is an online healthcare platform that provides prescription medications and consultations with registered doctors. It's designed for people who want a convenient way to access treatments without visiting a doctor in person. The process is simple. You choose your treatment, fill out an online consultation, and a licensed doctor reviews it. If approved, a prescription is issued, and your medication is shipped quickly with discreet packaging. One of the biggest advantages of EuroClinix is that it offers a legitimate and regulated service, ensuring that all medications come from licensed pharmacies. It covers a wide range of treatments, including weight loss, sexual health, hair loss, and general wellness. The website is user-friendly, with clear information about each treatment, side effects, and pricing. There are no hidden fees. What you see is what you pay. Delivery is fast, usually within 24 to 48 hours for most European countries. However, there are some downsides. The service is only available in certain regions, and the prices can be higher than buying medication from a local pharmacy. Also, since it's an online service, it may not be suitable for complex medical conditions requiring in-person diagnosis. Overall, EuroClinix is a reliable option for those who need prescription medications quickly and safely. It's best suited for people who want a hassle-free way to get treatments with professional oversight. If you value convenience and discretion, it's worth considering. Check out the links in the description if you want to learn more.